Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Peppermint Crinkles. This is Anne. It's been a while, and yeah, to start off, doing a tutorial from this Z palette of mine, the trios and the 6 palette from Wet n Wild. And basically, I use the Vanity and the Pride and this single shadows in Penny. So if you want to see how I did this look, then continue watching. So I've already primed my lids using my Urban Decay Primer Potion. And then on top of that, I prepped it with my MAC Painterly. Just don't know if you could read the name there. Now I'm going to take my Z palette of collection of the palettes and the trios and singles from Wet n Wild, and basically I'm going to take this Vanity palette and using this one, this is the e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush. I'm going to put on this top right here, this shiny light gold there. And I'm just going to put it on the tear duct and just 1/4 or 1/3 of the lid, and kind of go a little bit halfway on your lid, and just in the corner right here. Same brush, I'm going to take the next one, which is kind of gold, yellow goldy bronze shade from the Vanity palette of Wet n Wild. And this will be just on the center, and kind of connect that on the first shade that we had. Just see, and blend it, and leave the 1/3 or the outer corner of your eyes or lid, and then just below on the lower lash line. Essence eyeshadow brush, and taking this one from the Vanity, I'm going to put this on the outer corner and just on the lower outer corner from Clover, and it's 310N, which is just a fluffy brush. This one right here from the Vanity, and this will be on the crease, just on the crease, as if you're, removing those sharp edges, and then also blend it right here. It's the Pride palette, and this one right here, this medium brown, same brush, on top of that Vanity shade, medium brown, as if I'm mixing. And then the single eyeshadow from the Wet n Wild called Penny, e.l.f. blending brush, just like that, and this will be as my transition color. Take this from Coastal Scents or Chrome brush, the big eyeshadow brush, back to the Vanity one, the lighter shade in matte, and I think same as the Brulee one. I'm just going to apply this as my under eyebrow highlight, and then same brush back to the Pride palette, this one right here, just a tiny bit on the arc of your under eyebrow. Now we've lost that kind of shading, so I'm going to go back to this one right here, and back to this one and this one. I'll just mix. And this is Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Fever, and I'm just going to line my upper lash line up here And then on top of that, I'm going to take my NARS Coconut Grove and this Essence Angle Brush, and I'm going to put that on top to set that eyeliner pencil. Alright, I'm back, so I'm just gonna focus a little bit here. So what I did is I applied my this is Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in Black Fever. I lined it over here until here, and a little bit dab on my lower lash line. And then what I did is I took my NARS Coconut Grove and this Essence Angle Brush, and then what I did sorry, is I just feather it like this to make it a little bit softer and thicker, and to set that, and a little bit right here all the way to the center. Alright guys, so here are the products that I use for the rest of my face. Okay, now yeah, so for my moisturizer, this is the Olay Total Effects Under Eye Moisturizer. It's the e.l.f. Daily Moisture Stick. Right, for my facial primer, I use this MAC Prep and Prime. Foundation, MAC Face and Body in C2. For my waterline, I did use this Tony Moly eyeliner in Tear Beige. For my lips, I prepped it with my Body Shop Vitamin E. For my mascara, by the way, Great Lash Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline. Facial concealment, this is the Revlon Photo Ready Concealer Stick in Light. For my corrector, I use this Pan Stick Foundation in Fair, which has a pink undertone in it. For my concealer, I did use the Maybelline Age Rewind. Oh, yeah. I think this one is in Sand, or their light is available here. And for my brightener, the Coastal Scents Bright Eyed in Ivory. For my brows, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in Dark Brown. And then Great Lash Clear Mascara. For my under eyebrow, this is the Catrice Eyebrow Lifter. Cream highlight, this is NARS Copacabana. For my blush, NYX Boho Chic. For my contour, this is the Chanel Bronzed Universal. For my all over bronzer, this is the MAC Extra Dimension in Aphrodite Shell. For my contour, MAC Her Own Devices. For my blush, the MAC Azalea Blossom Ombre Blush. Set my makeup with this Urban Decay All Nighter. To set my makeup, this is the Maybelline Fit Me in Buff Beige. To set my under eye corrector and concealer, this is the Ben Nye Banana. Alright, for my powder highlight, this is MAC Glow Rider. And on my lips, I did use this Revlon's Just Enough Buff and L'Oreal's just a little bit on the center, and this one is LE Gold. And for my lip liner, I did use NYX lip liner in Nude Pink. And that is it, guys. Thank you very much for watching. God bless, and bye-bye.